Hello mates, welcome back to Top Capable. If you are making a tutorial or want to show something to others, you need to record your computer screen and webcam, or you have to start a live stream. Therefore, find a reliable screen recorder is vital. Today I'm gonna share you some free ways to record your computer screen and webcam. For Windows users, Xbox Game Bar is a safe way to record your screen. I know many of you considers it as a social platform for Xbox games. But you can't imagine that it features a screen recorder for not only Xbox gameplay but other activities on your screen. To record screen using Xbox Game Bar, let's first go to System Settings. Select Game. Here are several options. Go to Gaming Mode and toggle up, and close the settings. Now we can record screen. Press Windows and G on your keyboard to launch the recording screen. You can see there are several windows on the screen. The top left one is the most important for controlling screen recording. If not, hit on this capture button to open it. Each button has its function. Click the camera icon to take a screenshot. The second one, I don't know how to describe it, but you can use it to record last 30 seconds. This dot is for screen record, and the last button allows you to turn mic on or off when recording. Let's try to record a video now. Hit on the dot or press Windows plus Alt plus R on your keyboard. Then the activity of the top windows will be recorded. Then stop recording when you finish the tutorial on your screen. The recorded video will be saved. You can check it by clicking See My Captures. But you can only record one window on the screen, and you can't record webcam at the same time. In addition, if you are using Windows 8 and earlier Windows version, this method is unavailable. To solve the issue, you can use OBS Studio. After connecting the webcam to your computer, go to the official site obsproject.com. This screen recorder is a free open source tool. It can record webcam and activities on your screen at the same time without operating system limitation. In other words, you can record your screen and webcam on Windows and macOS computers. Download OBS Studio on your Windows computer. I've downloaded it, now I'm gonna open it. First, select Optimize just for recording here, I will not be streaming, and click Next. Then you'll be prompted to this screen. If you are not familiar with this, just keep the default settings and click Next. If you are advanced users, you can change these settings. In this summary screen, click Apply Settings. Then you'll be on the home page. Then you need to add a source by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the screen under Sources. Here we choose Display Capture and click OK. Then choose the window you want to record, and hit on OK. Now you can preview the display you will record. Then we click the plus button again, and choose Video Capture Device to add your webcam window. Now we can see the display of the webcam. After these, click and set the edges of your webcam. Once done, let's start recording. Hit the same button to stop recording if you are satisfied with the content. As for users who use Mac computers with macOS after Mojave, there's a simplest way in this world to record the computer screen and webcam. Turn on the webcam by clicking File on the top left corner and select New Movie Recording. Then adjust the webcam size and move it to the recording area. Once done, we can preview it at the bottom right corner. Just press Shift plus Command plus 5 to activate Screenshot toolbar. Then we can see the controls for screen recording. Click the record button to start recording all activities with webcam on the computer screen. Another way is using QuickTime Player. We know the QuickTime Player is the built-in player for macOS, but it is also a screen recorder. I'll open the QuickTime to show you. Still, navigate to File and create a new movie recording to enable the webcam and settle it. Now navigate to the file on the top left corner. Choose New Screen Recording. You'll see the recording window on your screen. You can change the recording settings by clicking the arrow net to the recording button. After then, start the recording process. All methods above are free to record your computer screen and webcam. If you want an easier and more straightforward way, you can try Appgeeker Screen Recorder to assist you without hassles. If this video helps, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video.